here from Bean Sprout. I have a banjo to show you today, and I think it's really cool. So this is what I call a full-size 4-string banjo. It's the size of what other folks would call a tenor banjo, but in our world, people are getting mixed up between tenor ukulele and tenor banjo, so I just took that word out of it. Full-size 4-string banjo. And so it's an 11-inch pot with a 20-inch scale, which is a little short for most tenor banjos, but it's the same scale as our baritone ukulele, and so I really like it. In this case, the customer wanted non-steel strings, like ukulele strings, and tuned GCEA. So it's a special set that for this scale length, we can get that GCEA tuning. And I sell this size banjo with steel strings, non-steel strings, low tunings, high tunings, kind of whatever folks need. So this one, the main wood is oak, and it's oak from the wine barrels up the road from my house at Hayu Winery. And it's got walnut as its secondary wood. And then the stain on this and the finish on this, the goal is to mimic the Craftsman rocking chair that my mom had when I was a kid. So I've worked really hard to figure out a combination of stains and oils and waxes to get this look, which really shows off white oak very well. And then, you know, more walnut up here. And the customer's from Wales, so he asked for a Welsh daranat or daranat, I don't know the right way to say it. And I found that the best way to do that was to get a little piece of jewelry that was already pre-made and put it there in the headstock for them. And that's a specific knot that's different than like maybe the Celtic knots you'll see in Irish culture. This one's just for Wales, as far as I know. So this one's got, you know, it's got an armrest, it's got a goat skin head, really cool piece of goat skin, and it's got a K&K pickup. And yeah, it's pretty cool. Very cool. So it's number 993 going all the way to Wales. Cheers.